Alright, first of all, let's ensure we have the third person template. If not, we can add it in the content browser using the add feature content pack. Once it has been added to the project, here we can see the motion is velocity based and camera is in third person. To fix this to the first person, all we have to do is select camera boom, move it under the mesh, parent the boom to head socket, zero out the transforms as well as the arm length, move the boom slightly ahead until the head is covered, or 30 units on the x-axis. Also ensure that the mesh is -10 on the x-axis. After that, select either the BP third person character or character movement component in the component window and turn on use control rotation yaw to get a directional motion with strafing instead of velocity based motion. Lastly, if you see any mesh parts or character parts snapping or going inside the camera, you can go to Edit, Project Settings, and set the near clipping to 1 and restart the engine. You can also increase the radius of the capsule itself, and that should fix the camera issues.